cool, eh?
That was sick. Rubbish.
Want some chocolate?
Yeah.
It's downstairs, I didn't bring it up because it was on the melt. There we go.
Is it?
She wiggles her tail, she's going to do it.
Yeah, she goes crazy, she wiggles it and then it just lifts right up. Yeah.
Send Tony a message. Watching Lockie's gecko lay eggs right now.
Give him a ring.
Shit, we can't find a camera.
Give him a ring. Oh, was that it? Yep, there we go.
Crazy, eh?
Fuck did they get that in them?
There you go.
They only have two?
Yeah, they only have two at a time. She'll have more in 2
I'll
weeks.
just say cameras for it. It's Scott. No, nothing much, just watched Lockie's gecko just lay 2 eggs. Yeah, no, it's like through the side of the tub, we just watched it. Pity we didn't have a camera though. No, it's flat. No, checking out all this stuff. No, I had no idea how they fit those eggs into me.
They're squishy at first.
They're fucking huge. Yeah. But no, she's still wiggling around now. Flicking her tail. No, that was pretty sick. What are you up to? Nothing much. Had a bit of what? Oh, okay. Had any calls? What? What was it? Good. Yeah. Yeah. Me and Lockie were just cruising around looking at bits and pieces and that. And just cleaned out a few bits and pieces and that. Yeah. I don't know, up to you, might pop around. Say hello.